Meet the tiny titans of the insect world, whose exoskeletons are the ultimate armor, capable of withstanding forces thousands of times their own weight. We are reverse engineering nature's ultimate body armor. This is how the microscopic structures of the beetle shell are poised to revolutionize everything from aerospace technology to protective gear. The magic lies in the material itself. The beetle's shell, or cuticle, is primarily made of chitin, a tough, fibrous polysaccharide. But it's not the ingredient that matters, it's the architecture. Under the microscope, the shell reveals a spectacular arrangement. The fibers are laid down in successive layers, with each layer rotated slightly, creating a structure known as a helicoid. Think of it as a microscopic biological spiral staircase.